Good morning. Welcome to Narayana live classes. Now we will discuss about the daily assignment botany. Question number 1. Anaerobic respiration occurs without. So there itself the name is there, anaerobic. So anaerobic means in the absence of oxygen. So first question, second option is the correct option Next, fermentation is a kind of. Fermentation is a kind of. Physical means dead. Physiological means living. Biochemical means living. So fermentation occurs in living. So that's why 2 and 3 are correct. So that is second question. Fourth option is the correct option And third question, conversion of pyruvic acid into lactic. Question number 3. Which can readily respire without oxygen? So which can readily respire without oxygen means anaerobic respiration. So that is yeast. Saccharomyces cerevisiae means yeast. So third question, second option is the correct option. Next, fourth question, conversion of pyruvic acid into lactic acid occurs in. So pyruvic acid converted into lactic acid occurs in muscle cells So that is in the presence of NAD. So where it occurs in the presence of NAD, that is NAD is useful for reduction, whereas in the absence of oxygen is anaerobic respiration. So that is fourth question, first option is the correct option. Absence of oxygen by using NAD. Presence of NAD is not important, by using NAD. So that is fourth question, first option is the correct option. Next, the net total number of ATP formed from one molecule of glucose during anaerobic respiration is. So if you see the anaerobic respiration in glycolysis, net gain is, what is net gain? 2 ATP, 2 NADH. So that's why the net gain is 2 ATP is the net gain. Because NADH will be used in the fermentation process. So fifth question, second option is the correct option. Next, sixth question. Incomplete breakdown of sugar in anaerobic respiration. Incomplete oxidation of sugar in anaerobic respiration forms. What it will form So it will form what alcohol and carbon dioxide. So that is two types of fermentation are there. One is the alcohol fermentation. Another one is the lactic acid fermentation. So there in the four options, lactic acid is not given. So there is alcohol and carbon dioxide. That is sixth question, second option is the correct option. Question number 7. In yeast during anaerobic respiration, how many glucose molecules are required for the production of 38 ATP molecules? How many glucose molecules are required for the production of 38 ATP molecules? As you know, yeast, alcohol fermentation, you will get how many ATPs 2 ATPs. One yeast will give 2 ATPs. Then how many glucose are required? So yeast 1 glucose produce 2 ATPs means then 19 glucose are required to form 38 ATPs. So how many glucose are required 19 glucose. So that is seventh question. Third option is the correct option Question number 8. Dash enzymes change pyruvic acid to ethyl alcohol. So dash enzyme changes means if you see this alcohol fermentation, two steps are there. One is the decarboxylation, another one is the reduction. For decarboxylation, pyruvic decarboxylase enzyme is required, and for reduction, alcohol dehydrogenase enzyme is required. So that is fourth option is the correct option. So pyruvic decarboxylase enzyme, alcohol dehydrogenase enzyme. Eighth question, fourth option is the correct option. Question number 9. Which of the following molecules listed below is a product of fermentation of glucose by yeast? Alcohol. So yeast will produce alcohol. So that is alcohol. Second option is the correct option. Ninth question, second option is the correct option. 10th question. Identify ABC in the given reaction of lactic acid fermentation and select the correct option. So this is the pyruvic acid they give. pyruvic acid is reduced by NADH. So A is NADH and B is lactic acid and NADH is oxidized to NAD. So that is C is NAD, B is lactic acid, A is NADH. So the answer is 10th question. Second option is the correct option. 10th question. What option is correct option? Second option is the correct option. 10th question. Question number 11. Select the incorrectly matched pair. End products of alcoholic fermentation. Ethanol, carbon dioxide. That is correct. End products of alcoholic fermentation. Lactic acid and CO2. This is wrong. So the incorrect pair is second one. So 11th question, second option is the correct option. 12th question, the energy releasing process in which the substrate is oxidized without an external electron acceptor is called as, that is called. So the energy releasing process in which the substrate is oxidized without an external electron acceptor is called as, you can call it as a fermentation. So that means you are not taking anything from the outside. So that will come under the anaerobic respiration. So that is the 12th question. Third option is the correct option. Next, question number 13. What is incorrect about anaerobic respiration? So partial breakdown of glucose, correct only. Red gain 2 ATP, correct only. Rapid oxidation of NADH, that is wrong. So what is wrong is 13th one is the wrong option, is the third option is the correct answer for that one. So this is wrong one and incorrect is 13th, third option is the correct option. Next, 14th question. The electron acceptor in lactic acid fermentation. So pyruvic acid will take the electron from NADH plus H plus. So that's why pyruvic acid is the electron acceptor. 14th question, third option is the correct option. 15th question, the electron acceptor in alcohol acid fermentation is, if you see this acetaldehyde is reduced by NADH. So that's why the electron acceptor in the alcohol fermentation is the acetaldehyde. So that is 15th question, fourth option is the right answer.